All right, so we have another CD unboxing here. I couldn't talk last time because I was recovering from surgery. So we have another Amazon unboxing. Not really gonna show you the package. Okay. First things first. Alestorm's Back Through Time. This is not really part of the unboxing, but I actually do love this album. It's one of the albums I would take on Desert Island, so I opted to buy it. So, all right. So here is the album I bought for this episode unboxing. Black Sabbath's Master Reality. So here we are. My mission is to collect all 20 of the albums. You know I count it, and I'm going to be doing reviews of it. So as you guys know, I did an unboxing of the first album, the second album, Paranoid, Volume 4, Sabotage, Heaven and Hell, oh shit, Headless Cross, Tear, Cross Purposes, and Forbidden. So this is my 10th album of the catalog that I purchased. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I have 10, which is Master Reality. I'm actually take it out of the fold here. Here we go. I'll open up the disc here. Okay, this looks pretty cool. This is probably the coolest one I think I've seen yet here. The Dark Princes of Donnerrock. This is a tour book, I think, from 1971. Master of Reality. Here's the disc. And we have the booklet here. I'm just gonna shake it. There we go. Now this is actually the one from the album cover on the vinyl, back of the vinyl. It's Bill, Tony, Ozzy, and Geezer right here. So this is pretty cool. I do like it a lot. So now I have 10 albums. Now the albums I'm missing: Never Say Die, Technical Sabbath, Bloody Sabbath, Technical Ecstasy, Never Say Die, Mob Rules, Born Again, Seventh Star, Eternal Idol, Humanizer, Devil and 13. Those are the ones I'm missing. So it's really cool that I actually got this here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next unboxing I do for these. So